This RE/MAX Crown Realty property video is presented by Sherri Sproch. Lakefront Gem. Light and airy. Newly painted inside and out 3/2 have CBK Gen.Eat-in Kit, Form DR, LR, Spacious F Westwood Lamb. Floor overlooking the serenity of the lake. Easton EXP to enjoy the sunrise in your screen porch. Split bed plan. Office 10, newer AC, Cen.Vac. Tile, plenty of room for custom pool West I&V. Fence all in a well sought after lock. Main to shop, rest, and hub of Vero Low HOA. For more information, review the details below or contact Sherri Sproch at 772-999-5470.